Okay, we're going to start off with a few general work and energy type questions. So quite simply, the very first one we'll do is we'll just take an object on a flat surface with no friction. We don't really care what the mass is because mass doesn't really matter, only in certain kinds of situations. We're going to apply a force this way. Let's say it's 800 newtons. And we're going to say that we're going to move the object 60 meters. Okay, so you're pushing on this mass, 800 newtons. The object itself is going to move from here to here. We don't care how long it takes to do it. We don't care anything. We just care that 800 newtons is moving it from here to here. Not 60 meters. Your work formula, work equals force times distance. So that means that you go how much force? Well, you're pushing with 800 newtons. You're moving it 60 meters. So you end up transferring 48,000 joules. So it's going to cost you that much work to move it from here to there, or that much energy, move it from point A to point B. There you go. That's just your very, very most general question. Second kind of question we'll do. We'll take all the same numbers. We're going to take our block of who cares what the mass is. We're going to take our 800 newtons. We're going to apply it at 25 degrees this time. And we're still going to move it from here to here, which is going to be 60 meters. Okay, so the difference is that now we're going to have to pull out our pen, realize that we're going to have an F in the X direction, and so we're not going to apply the full 800 newtons. We don't have any frictional force, so we don't have to worry about knocking anything off. It's still work equals force times distance, except it's F net. In this case, that means F cosine of theta times distance. So that'll be 800 cosine of 25 degrees, and that'll be times 60 meters. So that will end up being 725 times 60. So in the end, you will apply 43,502 joules worth of energy to that situation. So that's what the energy required to do from there to there. Notice 48,000 here, 43,000 there, because we're not getting the full value for our 800 newtons because it's being pulled up at 25. Okay, there you go.